What's up, guys? So welcome back into this video. So today we're going to creating this amazing fly design just by using our smartphone as always. So it's better for you to subscribe button, like the video, and share the video if you're new here, and let's see what Pixellab has to offer. So let's get right to the video. So work on your layout, work on your color. So I'll not be using everything dark because the background itself and the guy wearing the shirt is also white. So when you're working with colors, I think it's better for you to know all of those things. So you just need to adjust the guy, give it a left half cut, and then work on the hue desaturation because I need it to be a dark person. But if you look at the face, it's just red, and I think that is going to spoil this design. But the reason of picking it because I want to show you guys the difficulties we pass when they give you edited pictures of their faces. But I think anyhow this works well, so we're just going to work on it. So I'll be working on this election flyer design where you are able to like vote. To a lot of people, if you're in school or if you're in higher institution, you are going to be getting more jobs like this than any other regular flyer design. So it's very important you know how to create one of these. So I'm not going to like create all of this like this. I'll be working with colors. So the colors the person actually gave was dark purple, red, and a little bit of green and lemon green. So all those colors is what we're going to be trying out in the design, and if it doesn't work, please don't crucify me in the comment section. Okay, so let's just adjust everything. So I'm just putting all the layout in before I start in the text. Like you guys know what I do. I first start with my layout, then I move on to the text. So we're just trying to be creative on it. We're going to use autograph fonts for this kind of like a signature on it, and then we're just using the padding and everything, then creating that kind of field, and then we'll just take it to that down below left side. So let's just see what he's going to come up with, and the face and everything is just working perfectly. So I'm just going to put in the name of it, which is Clinton, and then we're just going to use in this form. So the person said he doesn't want the background to be too crowded, and he needs a very simple design that he can change to black, change to white, and if I want color that I can give it to him. But we'll be working with this. So I'm just going to use in poppins. So adjust this a bit, and then using the spacing, then we're just going to put this kind of vote mark that will make it white, and you can see it's just really amazing. So that means the person knows what he's actually talking about. Combining all of these colors, I don't think it's bad, but it depends on how you use it. So I'm just going to write in this for financial secretary, put in there. Then we'll be using a very nice font, a very standard font. You can use mustard, you can use poppies. So I'm using poppies for this, and then you can see how it is. So everything is just setting properly. So I'll be writing something by the top layer because I don't want the design to be too crowded. So I have to make sure everything looks really neat and really catchy. So yeah, I'm just going to put in that kind of a transparent rectangle at the back of him, just like this, and make it red color because these are the three colors we're working with. Or when I say 4 colors, okay, gradient is there, mixture of lemon and green. So when he said lemon and green, I actually thought of going for lemon first, but I just said okay, gradient is there, gradient can do its work and make it come out very perfect. So I'm just going to use some poppins for this. As you can see, adjust this. So financial vision, shaping the future, blah blah blah, and then put in the text. So I'll just be using red text for it also. Then I can just create that kind of a light shine background. So if you're using any other overlay tool, I think there's a sunlight background you can use for this, but if you're not using it, Pixellab is all you got. So you can use the editing tool to add it anyhow, but I just have to make it a little bit shown but not too shown. So when I'm editing, it's just going to come out as a sunlight reflection, and I don't want it to be too much because the face is already giving us an edited look. So I'm not going to put in the name. I'll be using my name, but when I'm done with this design, with this video, I'm just going to change the university name because I don't want anyone to know about the university. So I'm just going to use my name, University of Design with EA. So this is not actually true. I doubt this kind of university, but I'm just using it for the sake of this video. So I'll just use the Department of Graphiology. Okay. This is so funny. So I'll just adjust this. So take this up, and I think the design is good to go. So if you better for the video, make sure that subscribe button, like this video, and I see you guys in my next video. Make sure you stay safe.